Whole Topics, and I am Anandamayi. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar has said that Hindus should understand that they are the sick people of India and that their illness is fatal to the health and happiness of other Indians. Ambedkar was a Hindu by birth but did not want to die as a Hindu. He decided to convert for this. He considered adopting many religions. Islam was also one of them. Before converting to Islam, he had also studied Islam in depth. He did not consider Islam to be very different from Hinduism in terms of casteism and the coordination of Dalits. According to Badri Narayan, professor at Govind Ballabh Pant Social Science Institute, Allahabad, an expert on modern history, Bhimrao Ambedkar was against many evils of Islam. He believed that in Islam, like Hinduism, upper caste have the upper hand and here too Dalits are marginalized. Speaking to BBC, Badri Narayan said Bhimrao Ambedkar believed that slavery was largely responsible for the condition of Dalits. There does not appear to be any specific commitment in Islam to abolish slavery. Professor Shamsul Islam of Delhi University also agrees with this. He says Ambedkar he had also considered Islam for conversion but did not adopt it because he believed that there is as much casteism in it as in Hinduism. He taught that Ambedkar believed that the elite class among Muslims also thinks like the Brahmin of Hindi religions. Ambedkar had clearly said that the fate of the country will change when Dalits of Hindu and Islam religions will be able to free themselves from the politics of upper caste. Shamsul Islam explains. Ambedkar said the politics that has happening in the name of Islam was similar to that of the upper classes of Hinduism. Just as Brahmin politics was dominant in Hinduism, the politics of Islam was also limited to the upper caste. Ambedkar was concerned about the status of women in Islam. He was against the practice of polygamy. Badri Narayan explained Ambedkar linked the practice of polygamy with women's issue. He believed that this causes suffering to women. They are exploited and suppressed in this practice. He said that this was one of the many reasons why Ambedkar did not embrace Islam. He was not in favor of Dalits embracing Islam. After independence, Dalits were converting to Islam on a large scale in Pakistan. Ambedkar was advising them not to convert to Islam. He believed that they would not get equal rights there either. Badri Narayan explained that Ambedkar felt that Islam did not have to stand to remove the evil practice and without removing them, a sense of equality could not be achieved. Shamsul Islam explained that Mughal rulers had completely adopted the Manusmriti, whereas Ambedkar was against Manusmriti. All the Muslim rulers who come to India adopted Brahminist politics. Even if you look at the Mughal period, the Muslim rulers had compromised with the upper caste of the Hindu religion. Both historians Shamsul and Badri Narayan believed that Ambedkar wanted to give Dalits the right to equality in society, which did not seem possible in Islam. This is why he adopted Buddhism after studying many religions.